Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus numbers versus sheets, which is better. Open a sample file and follow along to test features yourself. We'll walk through interface differences, formula behavior, and sharing workflows in a friendly, step-by-step way. I will show practical examples, speed tips, and compatibility notes so you can decide which app suits your workflow and team without getting bogged down in jargon. We start by comparing key abilities so you know what each app excels at. I'll demo pivot tables, array formulas, and collaboration scenarios to reveal practical trade-offs. Watch how file handling, templates, and custom functions change your workflow and decide if you need raw power, seamless sharing, or attractive layouts. This will help you match features to common tasks like budgeting, reporting, or team editing with minimal fuss. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. I love the simple path to wealth for clear thinking about money, and it pairs nicely with budgeting practice in any spreadsheet. It changed how I approach saving and investing and might help you allocate values across sheets or Excel models. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we examine speed, file size limits, and cross-platform compatibility in simple tests. I'll show opening times, formula recalculation behavior, and issues when moving files between apps. We will test a heavy spreadsheet with thousands of rows, shared edits, and exported CSVs to see real-world impacts. This helps you weigh trade-offs when choosing an app for big data, collaboration, or tidy presentations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.